二人に人権はない。
Jesus fucking Christ.
俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。
Oh,
だ
that's
から壊れ
fucked
ないお
up.
もちゃが欲しかった。
Oh, that's
俺
symbolic.
が
And
お
the
前た
shot
ちを
with
最高に
the
生かして
grave.
やつらにしてやる。
That's all we can ask for. A pair of serious badasses.
So he literally is
As
so
they die in a
like
pool of their
cannot
own
die,
blood
bro.
together.
得意化にはまともなやつはいい品から気をつけろ
Nice.
Nice.
ってね。
That's compliment though.
もうちょっと自分を客観的に見た方がいいですよ。
I mean, yes, that's also fair, but
女性のお客さん来てますよ。じゃ、ごゆっくり。
Makima? Like, what lady would it be?
A lady.
Mom? Who the fuck is this?
Who's this? Is this?
Um,
寝るから帰
I
る。
mean, he has no
that was
family.
明
interesting.
日家に迎えに行くからな。
No idea. Did you use
Bro's
your
literally like,
chainsaw
yeah,
man
I'm
form
beat.
at all?
I'm done. Bro can't even.
And he broke. He broke.
Bro about to shit? What the fuck?
頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ
What the fuck?
Wow. Healed by beatdown.
Well, that was rude.
ほら、
Yeah, I was literally about to ask that question. He beat me
Too
to
many.
it by
20回以上じゃ。
fucking hell.
ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから、正確にはわからん。
Damn.
俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。
Right now, that's all you are to
Mashi
him. You
mukatsuite
gotta, you
kita
gotta
ぜ。
prove you're more than that.
何が？
あいつを倒す方法じゃ。
Booze and
Really?
women.
超強いが。
Booze and women.
酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいい
Hookers
んじ
and
ゃ。
cocaine,
Need to
baby.
think in battle.
この家は確か
Here we go.
Wow, already drinking.
この血の匂い。
Oh my god, the glasses from the
Ooh,
OP.
wow, with
She's wearing the
glasses and
glasses.
hair up. Oh, I like.
I love that they're both wearing glasses. That's so silly.
超インテリ作戦。
Highly
Oh my
cerebral
God.
warfare begin.
Close. Very fucking close.
血の武器か。
Yep.
頭狙ってきやがった。
But she excels at.
忠誠しやがって。今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな。
Is that blood?
Jesus Christ! How much fucking blood was that? Oh, good lord.
Ah, yeah, okay, you forgot this interesting. Yo!
I am glad we're finally seeing
Yo, that's
more
so
creative
cool.
ways of powering blood
Very
ability.
dingy.
But you know, it's a sick ability. I'll keep saying that. It is incredible.
Damn! Damn!
Nice.
Get his glasses
Oh,
right
it's
off!
just enough to kick the
You ain't
blasters
smart,
off.
fool.
パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本
Makes
体が
sense.
貧血になることと、
Fair enough.
デンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。
Yeah, the reflexes need to come
今
up.
回は良かったからもう終わりだ。
He's already
俺は
impressed.
飲みに行く。
Bro, this guy never stops drinking.
I'm
What
surprised you
the
didn't
fuck?
stack up on drinks before coming here. No.
もう終わりだって。
I like how he's got a nickname now for power.
Yeah, I know, right?
Howie.
He's seeing improvement,
Oh,
you fucking dumbass.
Just to add insult to injury.
That doesn't mean let your guard down.
物が狩人の
We're
ことを
done
信
does
用
not
するな。
mean let your guard down, yep. We're definitely a relative in some form or fashion.
バディの妹の
Ah, it was Himino's
あらら
sister.
じゃあ殴られました？
Ah, fair enough.
手紙をもらいました。
Ah, it was something to
手
Himino.
紙。
A letter she left for Aki. Because I was gonna say, yeah, I mean, he, you know, his whole motivation is based on what happened with his family, so. But it seemed like someone who, like, the hair, like, it felt like someone that looked kind of like Aki, but.
あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします。
I can't read it.
I keep living a life where I might die every day. Seriously, I feel like I'm about to die all the time. I mean, the devils keep trying to kill us, and the people around me keep dropping like flies. I feel like my sensibilities are getting thrown off. This is how I really feel. Yeah, her sensibilities are getting thrown off. We've seen how she acted with Denji. And yet here I am, still living and kicking. It's thanks to my partner Aki being a really stand-up guy. I'm not too worried about him. The other day, everyone at work got dead drunk and was passed out, and I woke up at some point and thought I need to go be nice and go buy water for everyone for when they got up. Then I realized we'd forced Aki into getting his ears pierced. Why, you may ask? Because we always get dead drunk. He looked really distressed about it, and he got angry when I told him I didn't remember it happening. He was really exasperated, but it actually looked pretty good on him. Yeah, it looks great on him. He's got that edgy look to him. Interesting. Wonder if we're gonna get more. Time passes so quickly. How is Dad doing? I was really surprised to hear that. Don't need food. I have money, so it's no problem. I can eat good every day. She could stop sending me rice. However, I'm grateful for the cigarettes. They're a lot more expensive than food, but I'm worried about Dad. Lately, he hasn't sent me any mail. I'm very grateful, but tell him to think of himself first. Are you making sure he takes his meds? Be very careful. Interesting. So these are just letters. Still, he shouldn't be working here. He should at least go private instead of being in the bureau. But how do I get Aki to quit? He always shrugs it off whenever I bring up the topic, but I'm actually very serious about it. Yeah, because she doesn't want him losing his life in vain. Himino wanted that for you, Aki, is definitely gonna resonate with you.
アキ君は契約してもらいます。イルンは未来の悪魔。
The future
公安
devil?
でこいつと契約している人は2人。
The
1
future
人は寿命
devil.
半分。もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
So it's going to be a pretty big
気に入ら
price.
れれば安く済みますよ。
I'm so curious. The future devil
Curious
sounds
how-
so
I'm
interesting.
curious how they capture the devils they use as bargains. Because they keep them alive.
Also so
obviously, for
curious who
thinking
those
that
two
they'll make good
individuals are
bargains
that made
with
contracts
hunters.
with it. That's an eyeball. The all-seeing eye, perhaps?
Okay.